Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you want to build a Shopify store that does not just look but actually looks polished and professional, this video is for you. Today I am going to walk you through exactly how to design your Shopify store step by step so you can impress your visitor and turn them into paying customers. So grab a copy, hit the like button and let's jump into it. So first of all, you just need to pick the right theme. So here, when we are already in our dashboard, we have all the resources to access. So I will come over here to the online store, and here we can get our desired theme. So I will go with the Dawn theme because this is the simplest one and it is not a heavyweight theme, so it takes less time to loading. So I will go with this one, but if you want to switch any different theme, you can do it by using this theme store, or you can go with this popular one. So when you like your theme is on the foundation of your store design, so Shopify has free and paid themes. Both can look great, so don't feel pressure to buy one when you are starting out. You can go with the free plan. Then here's how to pick one. So from your Shopify dashboard, you just need to go to the online store. I already mentioned. Then you will find out the themes panel, and you just need to click on this explore more theme options button. It's called visit theme store. Once you click over here, it will take you to the store. It is the themes store. Here you will see all the collections of the themes, whereas it would be an free one, it would be a premium one. From that place, you just need to choose a theme that match your vibe. Clean, simple themes work best for the most products. Then you just need to click try theme. This will apply it to your store. Let me give a tip here that pick a theme that's mobile friendly. Over half your visitor will shop from their phone, so you just need to note it when you are choosing a theme. Then once you're done, you just need to customize your theme. So here you can see we have the options called customize. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you will able to customize the theme. Like click customize on your active theme. This opens Shopify visual editor. Here you can edit your home page, product page and more. Like let's go and try to add a logo over here. Just click to the arrow, and when you will click over here in the right corner, you can see that couple of things have already been come over here. So from that place, if you want to add your logo, you just need to click over here theme setting. Once you click over here, then you will get the options to upload your logo. Just click over that place, select, and here just click add files. Once you click over here, then if you have a logo, then you can easily upload it here. So let's find it out. Where is our logo? So I already made a logo. Let's try this one. I think this one will be good. Actually this is not a logo, but I will just work with this one right now. It will be good one for me. So here you can see that it already been uploaded. We can change the weight also if you need it to change it. Here actually you can see it. So there is way you can change the logo. Then you can choose your brand color and fonts. Also keep it simple, like pick 2 or 3 colors max and 1 or 2 fonts to keep it clean. Here you can see the typography. So from that place you can easily change your full typo. Like let's search for Poppins. This is one of my favorite font, I can say, and all become the font with Poppins. So you can change it. Then you can change the Poppin for body also. Let's say I will use the mono one, and here you actually see the mono one already been applied in your body. You can use the sans serif as it. Here you will see the result. As you can see, it already been changed. So you can change the font. Then arrange sections on your homepage. You can add slideshow, feature collection, testimonials or banners. Like this way, you just need to come over that place section panel. Once you come over here, you just need to click on add section, and here you will find out the elements. So I want to add image with text option, so I will click over that place and it will add it in here. So now you can easily change it as you want. Image with text, I will write it, hit the like button, hit the like button. So in this way you can add image, you can add heading, you can add sections here. If you want to change the image, you are allowed to change it here. You can see in the right corner we have the image options. In here we just need to upload our image as it, and it will be completely uploaded here. So this is the way to change all the thing. You can customize each and every elements here. Let me give you a pro tip, like less is more. Clean and cluttered design look more professional and load faster. Then you just need to add high quality image and content. Like great design needs great visual. Always use high quality image. Here you can see I am using a blurry image, that's why it looks not that much good. But if you use an image that looks so much great and resolution is really high, then the thing will be completely changed. So you just need to remember this one. Whenever you design, always go with the high resolution pictures. Then if you're selling physical product, take clear photos from multiple angles or use mockups if you are drop shipping. Then write a clear helpful product description. Like when you will come over here to product, and if you want to add a new product, they will ask for the title, description, that image. So these are the necessary thing to increase your sales. Then add a simple welcoming about us page always in your website. People love to know who they are buying from. Then don't forget your contact page too. Add an email from or social link so customer can reach to you easily. And if you want to optimize the navigation and mobile, now make sure your store is easy navigate. Like whenever, like create a clear menu, no clutter, just clear links to your main collection or pages, and add a search bar. Like here we already did. Just go to our online store and you can actually see it that we have this one search bar in our navigation bar. Then we have like simple navigation bar also. Then if you have lots of product, it helps customer find what they want fast. Then you just need to check how your store looks on mobile. Shopify editor lets you preview. Like here you can see it. Like just click to the customize image theme and you will get to see the preview of both like desktop and mobile also here. As you just need to be moving to mobile. If you want to see the mobile preview, here you can see it is so much responsive, so it is completely okay. Then you just need to test your buttons. Like make sure they are easy to tap and your checkout flow is smooth. So and there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to design a polished professional Shopify store that builds trust and drives sales. Remember, you can always tweak and improve as you grow, so don't get stuck trying to make it perfect on day one. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and drop a comment if you would like help with anything. I'm always here to help you build your dream store. Thanks for watching.